Problem number 9. Consider two vectors, vector A equal to 5 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 2 k cap, and vector B equal to minus 2 m I cap plus 2 m j cap plus 5 m k cap, where m is a scalar. Now we have to answer for three questions. The first question A is A plus B vector, and then the second question B is A vector minus B vector, and the third question C is the third vector C such that A vector minus B vector plus C vector equal to 0. That means we have to find the value of C. So here what they gave two vectors, but the most important thing here they give one letter which is m, right? So here m is not a meter, here m is a scalar. So don't get confused about this letter m. Clear? So when you are adding these two vectors, you cannot be able to add these two with this 5. Why? Because this 5 and this minus 2m are different, because we said m is a scalar. So while you are doing this calculation, and you should be very careful. Clear? So let's rewrite the given first, and we will solve the question one by one. So the equation here given as vector A, which is equal to 5 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 2 k cap, and then vector B is equal to minus 2 m I cap plus 2 m j cap plus 5 m k cap, where here m is a scalar. Now we are going to answer the first question. So what is first question? We are going to add vector A with vector B. So what I told you just before, here m is not a meter, m is a scalar. So when you are going to add these two vectors, you should not add 5 with minus 2. Clear? So here this is connected with a scalar, so you should not add this directly. So what you have to do, when you are going to add A and B, what you have to do, we have to add 5 plus of minus 2 meter. That means here we have the plus symbol because we are going to add. So 5 plus of minus 2. That means we have to write plus into minus minus. So what you will get? Minus 2 meter and then I cap. Likewise, you have to do the same thing. So I can just make plus here, and we can take the symbol, the sign of 4 is negative. So minus 4 plus 2 meter j cap, right? So I can write minus 4 plus 2 meter j cap. Likewise, I can write plus here, and now 2 plus 5m k cap. So 2 plus 5m k cap. This is the answer for the first part. Now we have to go for the second question, A vector minus B vector. So better I can write the given again. So again I have to write the given. So A vector, which is equal to 5 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 2 k cap, and then the B vector, which is equal to minus 2 m I cap plus 2 m j cap plus 5 m k cap. And this time what we are going to do, we are going to subtract. Clear? So now we are going to find the answer for the B part. So what is our B question? We are going to subtract A vector minus B vector. So that means we should be again do the same thing. So 5 minus of minus 2. So 5 minus of minus become plus. So you will get 5 plus 2m I cap plus minus 4 minus of plus 2. That means minus 4 minus into plus become minus. So minus 2m j cap, then plus 2 minus of 5m. So 2 minus of 5m of k cap is the answer for the second question. Clear? Clear? Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to find the answer for the third part. So the equation is given here as A vector minus B vector plus C vector equal to 0. By using this, we have to find the value of C. So let's rewrite the equation. Here C, A vector minus B vector plus C vector is equal to 0. And by using this, we are going to find the answer for C vector. So what you can do, you can keep this C and move the remaining two terms to the right hand side. By that, what you will get? You will get vector C is equal to B vector minus A vector, right? Because when this B comes to the right hand side, it will take the positive value. When the positive A comes to the right hand side, it will take the negative value. But what I am going to do, I can use the simplification. So I can rewrite this equation as minus of A vector minus B vector, right? You can see when you substitute this minus inside, A will take negative. It is exactly the same here. And when you subtract this minus with this B, minus into minus become plus of B vector, you'll get. So I can remodify this equation in this type. Both are exactly the same. Why I just make this modification? Because we already have the answer of A vector minus B vector here. Am I right? So by that, the simplification will be very easy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the answer of A minus B vector and I'm going to substitute this value here. So if you substitute, what you will get? C vector, which is equal to minus of, I'm going to write A vector minus B vector, which is 5 plus 2m I cap plus minus 4 minus 2m j cap plus 2 minus 5m k cap. So this is our equation for A vector minus B vector, right? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply this minus inside this bracket. So what you'll get when you take this minus and when you multiply this minus inside this small bracket, what you'll get? You will get the answer for the C vector. So minus into plus, which is minus 5, and minus into plus minus 2m I cap, right? And then this sign I'm going to write as it is because we have to multiply only here inside the bracket. So minus into minus 4, you will get plus 4, and minus into minus 2m, which is become plus 2m j cap, right? Likewise, you have to multiply this minus in the third bracket, third small bracket. So minus into plus, you'll get minus 2, and then minus into minus 5m, you'll get plus 5m, and this is your k cap vector. This is the answer for your third question. Clear? So while you do this type of, while you are going to get the answer for this type of question, so please do it carefully. Clear? So these are all the answer for part A, part B, and part C. Thank you.